Hi, I'm Rick Willis with Bird Gard. Today we'll be assembling and installing a Bird Gard Pro Plus unit. It comes with 2 speakers, a battery cable, and an AC power supply. Let's install the bracket. Start by laying the unit face down. The bracket goes on the back on the top. Insert the screws and tighten. Once the bracket is installed, it's ready to be mounted. You can mount it with screws into a post or side of a building or onto a pole using a standard 1 1/4 inch U-bolt. Whether you're using the battery clips or the AC power supply, they both plug in exactly the same. Simply plug it in to where it says power jack. The individual speakers plug in where indicated. Speaker 1 and speaker 2. All you need to do now is turn it on and turn the volume up. Put the wires over the grommet and close the door. Your Bird Gard Pro Plus unit comes with a replaceable sound card. On it is a label showing which bird sounds are included. These are the ones you told us you need to repel. If at any time you need to update these sound cards, simply call us and we can provide you with an updated sound card. These 8 switches represent the 8 different bird sounds. To the right is in the on position. To turn one off, simply move it over. The bottom 5 switches are the mode settings. They include the time off interval, the daytime operation, and the random switch. Your unit comes preset for the shortest time off interval, daytime use, and the random is turned on. This is the best setting for most every application. To change it, you can refer to the schematic on the right. To change it to the medium time off interval, it's 1 off and 2 on. To change it to 24-hour operation, that's 3 off and 4 on. We never recommend turning number 5 off. That is your randomization. That keeps the birds from becoming habituated. Thank you for watching the installation of the Bird Gard Pro Plus unit. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.